It's maintenance day again. Take care of your equipment. Let's get it done. All right, blades are changed on the 48. The 36 didn't really need new blades. It doesn't get used all that much, so the blades were still sharp. Both of the decks got scraped, and then I showed you as much as I could of a time lapse of a hydro oil change on the 36. Still got one more thing to do. We still have to go do an oil change on the truck, so let's go get that done. you have it. That's most of what happens on a maintenance day or one of my days off. I didn't show everything on camera, of course, with greasing the wheels on the trailer. I just showed one of them. Obviously, I had to go around and do all four of them. Some of the stuff on the hydro oil change for the 36 wasn't shown just because it was something you couldn't really see. So, man, we scraped the decks on both of the mowers, sharpened or put new blades on the 48, did a hydro oil change on the 36, did an oil change on the truck, greased all of the ball joints, the tie rod ends, and the sway bar links, and adjusted the trailer brakes and repacked the grease on the trailer bearings. So that's what I do on my day off. If you ever think that starting a lawn care company will just be a breeze, there are easy days, but there are days like this where on your day off you've got to spend all day long doing maintenance. But maintenance is always cheaper than repairs. Remember that. So I'm gonna go get on to the next thing, get cleaned up a little bit because going out to dinner tonight. So y'all be good. I'm gonna get back to work.